And for more on the elephant's journey, joining me via Skype is Huang Chengming, an investigator from the Institute of Zoology at Chinese Academy of Sciences. Mr. Huang, fantastic to have you on the program. We are in desperate need of your help in making sense of this situation here. Beginning with, this particular herd has been traveling northward from Xishuangbanna since last year. Is their expedition a normal phenomenon? What has caused them to migrate?
Of course, this is not the normal phenomenon. Why the elephant northward journey is because they need a habitat expansion. Probably in north area, there are already some elephants there, and north area has not elephants, so they expanded to north. In this case, they can reduce the competition. Why they move north? Another reason is that the elephant population increase. We know that about 10 decades ago, the elephant population in China suffering from forest habitat loss and habitat fragmentations as the human population increase, and more rainforest turn into farmlands. So the elephant have not enough food to eat, not enough space to live. So the animal and human conflict became more and more serious. As the development of ecological civilization construction in China, government paid more attention to wildlife protection. In this case, the Asian elephant population increased from 190 to 300 nowadays. So more habitat needed.
Mr. Huang, we're short on time on the program here. I'll leave you there, but thank you so much for your expertise.